Hello, welcome to our new video. Today we are going to draw these A to Z alphabets. Are you ready? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now let's learn some colors. What colors do we have? Blue color, yellow color, orange color, indigo color, parrot green color, brown color, pink color, blue color, purple color, black color, and red. Let's go. Orange, red color, yellow color, blue color, pink color, purple color, brown color, sky blue color, dark green color, indigo, parrot green color, Wow, these are looking so beautiful, but now we learn these alphabets with a phonics song. Let's sing with me, come on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Yay!
Thank you so much for watching our videos, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe our videos. Till then, bye.